Welcome back to Asian Reviews. This is the sound test for the GearHead PC keyboard featuring the mechanical red switches. So again, these are the Kailh red switches. Here's a switch sound test. Here's a single key sound test. And yeah, so these are the Kailh red switches, which are very similar to Cherry MX red switches. And here's the sound test. Here is the typing sound test. Here is the multi-key sound test. And here's the gaming sound test. And yeah, pretty simple. Now, as our sound test, we usually remove the keys. We have a wire stabilizer for this keyboard, as well as a Kailh red switch on the bottom. Here's the Spacebar sound test. Now, there's a bit of an echo with the metal ring for this keyboard, so that's definitely a minus for me. Here's the back switch. Again, wire stabilizer. And does show a little bit more wire clicking. And here's the enter key, which again has a wire stabilizer. And all these larger keys have wire stabilizers, which gives it weird sounds for me, so that's definitely a minus for me. Anyways, that was the quick sound test for the GearHead Gaming PC keyboard featuring the Kailh red switches. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to click that like button down below. Make sure to check out GearHead down in the description. And make sure to subscribe, as this channel is just so you get the best out of your products. Anyways, I'm your one and only Asian for Asian Reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!